You say, I'm going to work violence, but you end up MMA sparring.
You don't understand the problem.
You don't Beautiful. Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY. I think you have the mindset, which means you have the willingness to engage in violence. That's great, that's huge. But what you don't really own is the context. You don't understand it. Because the second you go, let's spar, your content turns the context. You say, I'm going to work violence, but you end up MMA sparring.
You don't understand the problem.
You don't Beautiful. You don't fucking own the problem. You don't own the problem, which now brings us back to context.
Yeah.
And that's the thing I'm trying to get people to understand. If you're really good at certain content, like really fucking good at certain content, you don't want to acknowledge different context. The jiu-jitsu guy doesn't want to acknowledge a context where his jiu-jitsu doesn't work.